Hi, this is Dr. Jenny from Spinal Corrective Center. I'm here with Sarah, and we're going to show you another way in the office we can help you counteract all that stress you feel with having your head forward and your body contracted from a lot of sitting and a lot of driving. So, people will come in and they spent maybe the whole day either in the car or at a desk or working with their body forward, and their shoulders get stuck in a rounded forward position, the head turtles forward. You feel all that stress here in the mid-back and stress in the neck. So we really specialize in corrective and precise spinal adjusting. So in addition to what I normally would do with an adjustment, there's a couple things that I can do in the office specifically to help with that forward head. So one thing that we'll do is Sarah's sitting up nice and straight. I have one hand just holding her angel wing or her scapula, one on the front of the shoulder. And I'm just doing a counter pressure to make sure there's motion in actually the head of her arm. Do you feel that?
Yes.
So a lot of people, literally, this is locked forward. So doing this a couple times, and then there's a way that I work the shoulder joint itself, we can make sure that there's actual motion in the shoulder, because sometimes they literally get locked forward. When that happens, you can really feel stress. Oh, that's better. Feel that?
Yeah.
So as we get that to unlock and start to move better, we basically release tension on all those muscles that are responsible for holding the head to the body. That's good.
It feels so much better.
Sometimes you'll actually even hear like a release,
Yeah.
and immediately people will feel a difference in how their neck and their shoulders feel. And then let's say Sarah's head was really forward. We'll still see people's ears in front of their shoulders like a full-on turtle position because they've been sitting so much. So this adjustment over time, repeatedly, will just help the body to retrain to have the head over the body. So, over the course of several weeks to months of just wellness care and making sure that the person understands the best ergonomic position for their computer, this adjustment over time will actually retrain where the head sits on the body. So what's really cool is people will gain height, they'll get less stress in their shoulders, and their entire structure will go through a transformation. It's really great because we can counteract all the stresses you have from sitting and driving. So I'm going to have you go face down, Sarah. So this is part of what we would call mirror image adjusting. So if the head is normally here, what I'm going to do is take the headpiece and raise it higher. So I just put her ear behind her shoulder. So it's firing off all those neuromechanoreceptors that are telling the body where it needs to be in proportion with the head and the body. So it's pretty cool. She's in this mirror image position. I can take the table. It's going to go up and down, just like that. That's the table. And there's a certain spot on the back. It's a little different for every person. On Sarah, I know where to be. And you'll just feel a little push. That noise was just the table moving. I'll show you again. Up. But that gentle force we put into the spine will really train her body to get her head back up over her shoulders. So over time, she's not going to turn into that little granny. She's going to keep nice and straight and have all the vitality she can get. Be well, everybody.